In this video, I will show you how to link Google Flow to your Google Cloud accounts to streamline your workflow and connect your favorite apps. To get started, you need to sign into your Google Workspace admin console using an administrator profile. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Apps section and then select the additional Google Services menu. Scroll through the list to find the tool labeled Google Flow. You will want to click on it to access the settings and then set the service status to on. You can choose to enable this for everyone in your organization or assign it specifically to a certain corporate organizational unit depending on your needs. After you have enabled the service, you can move over to the Google Cloud Console to finalize the integration. Within the Cloud Console, ensure that the corresponding APIs are active to allow for a seamless data exchange between your workspace and your cloud projects. This process allows your team to automate tasks and synchronize information across platforms with ease. It is important to remember that these administrative changes might take a few minutes to propagate across all user accounts, so a bit of patience is helpful during the setup. By following these steps, you are empowering your team with better connectivity and advanced automation capabilities within the Google ecosystem. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope this helps you optimize your professional workspace for better productivity. If you found this information useful, please consider checking out our other videos for more tech tips.